So, Pee-wee, the show started. Vice principals. Okay, hold on, guys. I got this.
Cabbages and onions hurt my singing tones. I like bananas because they have no bones. Skeet-da-beep-ba-dee-ba-ba-doodle-dee-ba-beep-ba-boo.
A little piece of plastic inside that hole right there. We need to make that vibrate by vibrating your throat, your vocal. Now, if I change my lips, if I change my tongue, if I change the way I breathe, I can change the pitch of the notes. This one right here, that's the first valve. I push the first valve. It's even longer.
Bellows that breathe kind of like your lungs breathe.
Slap, slap, clap, clap, over, and go.